Hey guys, it's Sarah from Unlocking Universe, and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Nokia Lumia 520 for all countries, regardless of what carrier you have. Unlocking your phone allows you to use your phone with other networks, and the process is completely safe and does not harm your phone in any way. So, first off, we need to get the unlock for your phone before I proceed with the unlocking procedure. The place to get all of your network unlocks is unlockinguniverse.com because we have the cheapest prices online and you can get your unlocks much faster than any other websites. So, to demonstrate the process, I'm going to use the AT&T version and unlock it so I can use it on my T-Mobile network. Like I said earlier, it's the exact same steps for all countries and carriers worldwide. So head on over to unlockinguniverse.com. Once you're there, you're going to be selecting your manufacturer and phone model from the drop-down list. Once you do that, select Order Now, which will take you to the next step. What you're going to do is select the country that you purchased the phone from as well as the carrier of the phone. In my case, it's AT&T. You will need the phone's IMEI number to continue, and I'm going to show you how to look that up on your phone. So, you go to the dial pad and enter in *#06#, and the IMEI will immediately show up. Next, you enter that on the website to continue. Make sure you select the correct currency for your country before moving on. Once you select Order Now and purchase it securely with PayPal, we will email you the code. The price and time vary depending on phone, but we do guarantee that you are getting the lowest price and the fastest delivery times. Once you receive your unlock via email, it's time to unlock your device. Make sure that the phone is powered off. Go ahead and remove the backplate and batteries so you can gain access to the SIM tray. And here is where you put the SIM card you want to use with the phone. So I want to use the phone on my T-Mobile network. That means I'm putting in my T-Mobile SIM card. If your SIM card doesn't fit, then you have to adjust the size in order for it to work. There's a link down below to show you how that's done. Once the SIM card is in place, put back the battery and the backplate and power up the phone. Once it boots up, it will take you to the SIM unlock page, and this is where you enter the unlock that you received from Unlocking Universe. After putting in the PIN and hitting unlock, you will get a message stating that the unlock was successful, and the phone will take you straight to the home screen and your phone becomes permanently unlocked. So that's basically how you unlock your Lumia 520. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments or concerns, please leave a comment down below, and as always, I will see you next time.